Hello and welcome back to another DIY video. Today we're going to be working on my Toyota Tacoma. This is a TRD Off Road edition. I'm going to be changing out the front differential fluid. Before we get started, make sure you give me that thumbs up to help the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe to the channel in the bottom right hand corner. We'll get started here in just a moment. So my fluid type I'm going to go with today is going to be this Ravenol right here. It's a 75W85 fully synthetic. It uses exactly 1.6 quarts. This is what I have right here is going to be 1.6 liters, so it's going to be a little bit more than, it should be plenty essentially. The Ravenol ones comes with a little spout on it, so that's very helpful. If you don't have that, if you're not going to go with this one right here, go with whatever you want, but make sure you get this little gear pump oil situation right here. Washers right there. Let's get started. So when you do any of your differential fluid or your transfer case fluids, you always want to make sure the car is level. I do realize I have it on jack stands right now because I need to take off my skid plates, but at the same time I know exactly how much I'm putting in, which is 1.6 quarts. Alright, so going in from the front, we have to remove the mid skid plate. So not the one in the front, it's the one in the middle part. This one right here. Well, let me back up. This one right here. Alright, so these little nuts right here are going to be 12 millimeters. It's easier with two people, but you can do it by yourself. You gotta hold on this plate. Okay, well the skid plate is held on by these two tabs, it looks like, which is nice. So, let's keep going further down. One more in the corner. There you go. Alright, now from the driver's side, I'm going to go in right under it. Right there. I'm going to adjust my camera position in a moment. Alright, I think this is probably the best camera position. So you'll notice that I sprayed some PB Blaster right there and then PB Blaster on the drain bolt. So this is the drain bolt, this is the fill bolt. Let it soak for 3-5 minutes or so, because if you don't, it's going to be very tough to get that off there. This bottom one especially, I think it's at 48 foot-pounds torqued, so it's on it pretty tight. Alright, so both of these nuts are 10 millimeter hex. So always go for the fill bolt first. Make sure you can actually get it off. Alright, let me get my foot on here. Okay. Oh, nice. Alright. That is loose, which is great. This is the one I'm more nervous about, so let's see. Oh, dang it. Is that not going to fit? Damn it. Oh no, it does. Oh yeah, no, it does. Okay, good. Sorry, I need to get more space. I don't want to strip it, so. Oh, come on. Okay. Okay, sweet. All right. Get my pan ready. Don't take the don't take the fill bolt off yet, because it's going to come up too fast and you won't be able to control it. And how big is that bolt? It's coming out. Ooh, look at that. Disgusting. It's coming out all squiggly. If I were to take off that top one again, it'll stream out real fast. Gross. Look how dirty that is. It's like a gray color. Alright, let's go ahead and see if I can get this top one. Very good. Let's see. Washer on there. Yes, it is. Alright. So washer on this big one. No, it is not. So it's probably still stuck on there. Oh, I see it right there. Alright, anyways, I'm going to let that drain out. Alright. See that little copper washer? Make sure you take it off. And otherwise you might... Did I get it? Oh, I did. Get dropped in there. Anyways, so I'm back up here just looking at the washers. Or I'm sorry, the drain bolts. I'm going to clean it up. Look at how gross this is. This side looks like it's a magnet, but I'm going to go ahead and clean this up as best I can. Look at all that sludge build up. Metal? Don't know. Anyways, I'm going to clean it up. Okay. There should always be one side that's a little more flat. There it is. So that's the side that should sit up against the differential. So this one uses this washer right here. So it looks like the flat part is facing the bolt like that. Okay. Let's get it reinstalled. If I'm wrong, obviously let the group know. Alright. So that's going to be good enough for me. Ow. Whoop. Let's make sure that seats down properly. This is 48 foot-pounds. Alright, that's good. Alright, next I actually do have to use my little pump. So you're going to pump in all your gear oil right here. Again, you're going to put in 1.6 quarts. Alright, so once you're done with that, we're going to go ahead and put in your other bolt right here, back into the top. This is going to be 29 foot-pounds and torque it in. Alright, I got everything pretty much done now. I'm going to wrap up the video. The skid plate, I don't think you need to watch how to put that back on because it's the same thing but in reverse. If you like it, make sure you give me that thumbs up to help the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel in the bottom right hand corner. And I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.